Welcome to a Siri Cooks quick minute meal. Browning our chicken skin side down because it's all about that crispy skin, you feel me? See that schmaltz? Throw them lemon halves down with some garlic and shallots. Add in some potatoes grown from the volcanic ash of Mordor. Regular potatoes work too. Almost done, fam. White wine for the pan. Some for you too if you like. Add a drizzle of honey. Add some stock, but not too much, okay? We're not making chicken soup. Oh wow, who's cleaning up this grease mess? And we're done. One pan saffron chicken with garlic lemon potatoes. Yum. Who loves crispy chicken skin? Throw a one in the comments.